And here we go. And I'm putting on some music just so it's nice for me. I'll try to keep it down though so that it's just, a little bit of background noise, nothing big. I'm going to spread the stream a little bit and then we'll get to working on it. Stream. Wow. Keep hashtag keep there we go. Anyways, let me where would I put this? Maybe in this. What else? Where else can I put it? Here? Can't put that in there. There we go. Put that there. And here, I think. There we go. Now check on chat. Botrex has joined the channel. Oh, wonderful. I don't think I need to go too hard in terms of being entertaining in these ones. Enemy flames. I'm gonna duplicate this. Blue. This one's gonna be for the critical hits. Left a bitter taste. Whoa. Reason they were thrown away. Well, they were locked behind from my display. Disarray. Install to forget them all. Did I? Oh, I put it on the wrong side of that one. Did I? Yeah, that works. Now these blue ones are going to be pretty simple. I'm going to have like all right, so effects, enemy flame spark. Let's see. Scripts. Near? Oh. I don't remember that being in the game, but... Let's see, sorry, underscore enemy underscore flame spark bluifier. It's the simplest way I can think to do it. We'll just use a random sprite that has a big hitbox like the Fairy Star. Zero equals, say, 15 frames. No, we don't need that many, just 8. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the music for a bit because it's a little distracting. This is gonna be the best thing since Slice Night. You have a fan blowing on the mic and it's a very unique experience. I'm sorry. Did it... I turned off the music in the stream because I thought maybe if I talked to you it'd be better.
What is going on, gamers? And otherwise.
The fan didn't seem to bother people in my other streams. Is it more loud this time?
I can't even hear it on Discord, so I don't know.
Huh. Don't know why it's like that on the stream then. It's weird.
How curious. Curious, how strange.
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't gotta say something for everything.
Wow.
And... oh. Hey. Why did my mouse do that? Oh no. Oh no.
Squeak, squeak. Know what I'm saying? Why is my mouse? I don't fucking know. I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay. I'm sorry. You're allowed to leave the call if you want, you know.
I got this cool as hell marble. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. There's this boy that I like, and today he actually asked me a very interesting and long-awaited question.
Yeah?
Yeah, he said, he finally asked, he finally said, is that how you're playing?
What?
Because I told him I was playing Fortnite with like half a controller and then a mouse in the other hand.
Oh. I like doing
like you were
that.
expecting something else.
I like doing that. It's comfy.
Yeah, it is.
That's how I used to play Mario Galaxy.
Okay, fair enough.
What?
Couldn't imagine doing that myself. I've always just been a right stick kind of guy.
Yeah, for me, using the right stick is like impossible to get right. I tried it.
Depends on how did you set it up? Did you set it up like a cursor, or was it like the other one where you like move it and it moves as much as it moves? Like you move it to the top and it goes up, and then you put it to neutral and it goes back to the center. That one's way more comfortable.
No, I tried it. I tried it that way, and that was too hard.
Oh, strange.
There you go. We got the blue effects for that. That's not where we're gonna end it, because I'm also going to make it so. Oh, right. I also made a little change regarding the. How'd I put it? What?
What?
You stuttered whenever you weren't even talking to make fun of me for stuttering.
Doesn't even make any sense. How could I stutter if I'm not talking?
You were like, eh. You went like, eh.
I'm sorry I did that noise. I didn't know.
What?
Anyway, I just think the situation's funny.
Alright. So now I'm going to make a new effect since the blue one works. I was given advice just... If I just stream every time I'm working on the game from now on, that should be good for marketing. That's what people tell me. I'm not sure why I'm so anxious all the time, though.
Oh my. Oh, dude.
What?
I got a commission from someone and I asked to be anonymous and they didn't make it anonymous, so people are following me.
12 by 12 is too small for this. This one needs to be 16 by 16. It's going to be...
I feel like it's a competition for this commissioner. I want the most retweets. I want to be the one who's cool. The one that everyone likes the most.
Is something wrong?
No. I just think it's funny. People are giving this character compliment. Oh, dude, this is not what I was expecting.
I have no clue what you're, like, talking about, so...
Somebody, I got a commission. I asked to remain anonymous. They did not make me anonymous, but it's on a second account, so it's fine. So people are interacting with it, and I feel weird, but not in a bad way, just like, oh, this is unexpected.
Well, I guess I promised not to reveal to the chat what it was that you commissioned.
Thank you.
Not that I would need to promise, because I've already not done it. Wait, what?
Cool. Cool.
I've already not done it. That's a great line.
Well, yeah. Everyone's gonna follow me, and they might try to talk to me, but sadly, I will only ever follow one person on this account.
I'm sorry, am I making you uncomfortable? Well, I'm making me uncomfortable, and I don't know why or how.
Okay. What do I do about this?
Nothing, apparently.
If that's your choice.
It's not a choice. That's just how it is. It's just the way things are for me. I just feel like this all the time. So I'm just gonna wait till it goes away. Because it usually goes away.
I should eat food, but I don't want to eat food. I'm lazy.
Alright.
You know who else was lazy? Spider-Man. And Spider-Man 2. EA reportedly expects Battlefield 6 to have 100 million players, 3 times more than the series' bestseller. How? Dude, if Slice Knight 3 doesn't get 10 billion downloads, it's a failure.
That's what Reddit tries to tell me. It's like, no, it doesn't need to be a super popular mega game. It just needs to have some people talking about it on niche little YouTube videos, and that'll make me happy.
It's just a fun little video game you can play.
Yeah. Trying to make the super critical hits like a firework.
Why is the eBay notification sound like diseased?
I don't know. You should get that checked out.
You ever heard the eBay notification sound?
I don't want to. But no, I haven't.
It's so weird. Like, hell yeah, dude, I'm gonna get paid on the 6th of July. I should also be receiving Mario Odyssey tomorrow.
People in the comments will be like, it took you a while.
I already had it, and then I sold it because I didn't like it. And it's been like a long time of me thinking, oh, I don't really like Mario Odyssey. But I come back to it, and I wondered... That's the wrong game. Odyssey... Is it just because I never made a new save file, and I just kept playing on the same file for like 4 years or something? It's probably that. So far, all I've got are fucking Mario games. Mario RPG, Mario 3D World, Mario Wonder, Mario Odyssey is coming soon. What's next? Paper Mario? I don't even want Mario and Luigi Brothers ship. I don't think that's a good game. It doesn't look good. It's probably good, it's just not what I want fucking Super Paper Mario 2. But what's the chances of that?
I don't know.
Like 4. What are other Switch games that I could get?
I don't know, dude.
Guess Zelda? I could get Echoes of Wisdom.
Some people hate Echoes of Wisdom because it quote-unquote reuses the map from Link to the Past again, and it's like, sure, geographically, if you look at it from a distance, yes.
Also, like, who cares?
Like,
It's a complete recontextualization.
it doesn't feel like it's the same map in any way unless you look at it from the bird's eye view.
Said that is the perspective the game gives you, so I don't...
No, I mean like if you look at the whole map. If you look at the entire map, then yeah, it's the Link to the Past map. But when you're down there, no. It just isn't.
Thing, even if it were, it's a complete recontextualization. It's like saying, oh dude, what's even the point of anything? That's not where the syntax was supposed to go. It's like Mario 64 shotgun mod. Yeah, it's still Mario 64, but it's different. Or it's like, playing as Mario 64 in Sonic Generations.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like the same level. But to be fair, where else are you going to put a mountain except for on the top? Or a snowy area except for also on the top? Like, where else would it go? You want to put a volcano in the bottom right corner of the map? Are you fucking mental?
Yeah, it just wouldn't look right.
That's what I'm saying. Mario Kart World soundtrack is really fucking funny at times. It genuinely feels like they got two dartboards, one with a Mario soundtrack and one with genres, and they just threw the darts and was like, alright, sure, EDM Baby Park. It's really fucking funny though.
I need to listen to that. I'm gonna listen to that right now.
Mario Kart World Baby Park, it's so fucking funny.
There we go. Okay, listening to it. What? This does not sound. This sounds exactly like the stupid fan remixes that don't normally work in any context.
But it's really funny.
Yeah, of course it is. That's hilarious. What were they thinking?
What do you think they were thinking?
I don't know. Oh, now we got Mega Man 11 music for a second there.
At least the Good Egg Galaxy remix isn't fucked up like the Smash Wii U version. I still think the original's better, but eh.
This will probably look better in game. There'll be like a bunch of these that fly out. Yeah. Right. OBJ underscore super crit spark. Effect springs. It's still going. 3 minutes of that. I feel like it would be... That would be better to actually listen to, like, during the game. It just feels kind of weird listening to it on its own.
Which one? Baby Park.
EDM Baby Park.
Yeah. But it's funny. It goes for most of the tracks, which is fine, I think.
Did they make like a country remix of the original Super Mario Brothers theme?
I don't know. I don't know all of them. There's just like a few good ones. I quite like Choco Mountain, which sounds like a fucking adult animated sitcom.
Does.
It's weird.
It's literally a combination of King of the Hill and South Park.
Dino Jungle's really cool, I think, because they recontextualized the whole, like, course from just being like dinosaur area to fucking Jurassic Park. Like, they recontextualized a lot of the tracks, right? Because, you know, it's like Peach Beach. What was it? It's just a beach. But no, now it's like owned by Peach. It's like a resort area. It's cool. Right?
Yeah.
It's people aren't talking enough about that.
BM_normal, and make it so it draws itself in the add blend mode.
Okay, this is video. It's a Smash Melee streamer, Hungrybox, who means Jigglypuff, and he like goes fucking mental about Fox, saying like, "Oh, you don't even have to do anything. You just win because they cater to you. They change the rules to make it easier for you to win. You have all of these setups. You have all of these tools. It isn't fair." And he still fucking wins.
Strange. Real strange.
It's funny though.
Alright, let's see. If I can go into the script, and then hit any one script. Right, so damage equals 3.5. Repeat. Let's do 4. Instance create depth. X y minus -1 depth -10 OBJ underscore. Sorry, OBJ underscore super. My brain is scrambled right now. I'm like this right now. Sorry that I'm slow.
That's okay.
What was it called again? OBJ underscore super crit sparkle.
Hi, my name's Ob. I forgot that my bear would be on the screen. That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, right, I should check the chat. See if anyone's listening. Nope, there's no viewers. Not even one. Oh, no, there's a guy. Hello.
If streams are kind of just like by default harder to get into.
Yeah, it's just I was told that I should do this and that it would help.
Who said this?
Well, it appears that those firework particles, they don't seem to go. I could have sworn there was. Sorry, I need to get this right. Also, let's do Fox Billy. I need to do it right. Super critical. Here we go. Just time it correctly, Ashley. Damn it. Okay, so... So I'm gonna need that effect to go slower and make it stop whenever the animation's finished. make the animation slower too. Dang it. Okay, so let's set it to 8 FPS. And it should have repeated 4 times. But I only saw 2 of them get made each time. So, okay, I'll make this like 6 times. Speed equals random range 2 and 2.5. Needs to be like a firework.
I don't know if fire worked.
Come on, Ashley, you can do it. Damn it. Nope.
Me from the past was so nice to me. Today? Yesterday? Oh. That is awesome.
Okay, we got... That kind of looked like a firework, but the things didn't slow down fast enough. Let's make them slow down about 10 times faster. No, not 10 times, 5 times faster. That'll be better. Also, they all sprayed upwards, which is weird. Very concerning, actually. I also like how this is like the best spot for super critical hits. Like, you can just keep practicing. They're not frame perfect. They are distance perfect, though. Okay, it needs to... Okay. I think that'll work. And... let's try Gold Block Sparkle.
Ugh.
What?
Oh yeah, sorry. Sonic Racing Crossworlds is trying so hard.
Is it?
It's like a lot of the people working on it have so much passion, but they're just held back. Like, here's generic Sonic render from literally 2010.
Oof.
Like, dude, this was in fucking Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing, like the first one. It's the same render. Are you ever getting that updated? Meanwhile, Mario Kart's like, we'd redesigned everybody, and sure, Mario looks like he's a fucking chipmunk, but
What?
it looks more interesting. His cheeks are so fucking puffed out. Mario Kart World.
You said it like it was an insult.
It looks weird. I can't imagine this design for Mario ever holding his breath. Because it's, like, look weird, it would look uncomfortable.
Right, the effect is starting to come together, I think. But it does seem like to achieve the firework effect, I might need to remove the randomness from it.
Oh.
What? Because, see, when they were more evenly spread like that there, that looked better.
Alright.
What?
Nothing, I'm just saying right.
You just sound sad.
I just am saying.
Is it good to have those linger like that?
I think it's kind of strange, but it's not bad.
Yeah. It's... What gets me is the fact that, like... The animation is supposed to be snappy, but also slow enough that you can actually watch it.
This game had pickups. What? It doesn't. And it does, but not like that.
Yeah, I'll try to get this to work better. So, frames per second, let's go 5 FPS on it, so...
Oops. I like bears.
5 is too slow. 6? That'll be good. Let's make an 8th frame. Right, if image index is greater than 7. Oh, greater than 8. So it would be a 9th frame. It starts at 0. Wrangle. And here, instead of having it repeat 6 times, I'm going to make it happen 12 times exactly, but choose its direction. You get what I mean? So, like, with...
It's showing my direction.
Direction equals 0. Right, so 360 divided by 12 equals 30. So let's keep going in increments of 30. I opened Ryujinx by accident.
It was awesome.
Oh, wait, it didn't boot. That's good. Or is it? Yeah, I got that right. 120, 150, 180, 50, 180, 210, 240. 70 and 300 and then 330 330 and 360 is covered by the 0 one. This probably could have been handled by a for loop, but eh. At least it's deliberate. Bam. It also means I gotta re-edit that one part of the trailer at the end, but that's no big deal. Every developer gotta do something like that. That was good! Wasn't that cool? What?
It was cool.
You got all quiet and mumbly about it.
I'm just sleepy.
Excuse for everything.
What isn't? This is not true.
Should the fireworks be, do you think they should stay uneven, or do you think a perfect circle would be better?
A little bit of unevenity has never hurt anybody.
Woohoo! I was thinking of maybe adding a glowing effect.
I think it's okay as it is.
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't know, it just feels... Oh, I definitely need a sound for it, though. Because currently I just use the parry ball sound, which, you know, isn't the thing I should default to. Well, you get what I mean. I need to create a better sound.
Yeah.
I could ask Sophia, or I could try to make something myself. Firework.
Like splash.
Wait. That's... Did I really fucking... Wait. Alarm 0... Oh, right. I forgot. Completely forgot to add the trails to it. Something about the gold box sparkles didn't seem right, though. Because those were creating themselves, which shouldn't be happening. I think? I'm confused. Something happened there. Okay, that's way too fast. 10. Every 10 frames. Keep hitting the character button instead of the costume button. If image underscore index is less than 5. Less than or equal to 5. That works. Still a little much. Okay. 3. So it'll make some, but not a super crazy amount. Alright. So, I'm gonna, let's see. Preferences, right. So, in the, sorry. In the boot room, right, so right, save 5 is just like the preference. Okay. So should it be per file? Yeah, it should. Global dot costume ref into ionine underscore read underscore real. Save 5. Costume ref. And default Billy. And in the create event, what costume global dot save ref costume ref default Billy okay. So I don't think the game should start up with you as a different character, just because that would get complicated really fast. But for costumes specifically, I can have it so that whatever you picked for Billy or Miley stays. You get what I mean? So save dot Alright, get that, and then create event. Okay, and then when Billy herself is created, wait. Have to be careful about this because I don't want to ruin that one piece of randomness there. Or do I? Maybe I do. Right, and then there.
There?
I said there with a TH. So now if I... What? What did I do? Wait, I should have checked the error. Okay. What's the error say? INI read 3 incorrect type string expecting a number. Oh, right. String. Simple.
I wonder if I was suffocating in my sleep last night.
I can relate. That's every night for me.
Because in my dream, it's like my shirt was like choking me, but even when I took it off, it like still felt a little bit uncomfortable.
So now if I close the game and then load up the thing. Nope. I think I know why. Because it shouldn't be on create, it should be on room start.
Actually, am I true?
I don't know. Also, wait, no, it shouldn't be on room start. It should be when... Oh, wait. Wait, that doesn't make sense either. If global.save is not equal to file 7. There we go. Else. There we go.
That's very strangely addicting.
What?
I put my marble in a paper cup, and you spin it around. The marble like floats up. It's really cool.
There, now it'll only do that once. Costume craft. The default is Billy. So now if I go here, go. And now if I leave and re-enter. Okay, because I'm on file 7. Okay. Okay, so I don't need this to be in the else statement. Just put it here. Wait. If global dot save is equal to okay, I'll go through all of the ones up to and including 7. Wait, I can't do that. I can't use OR statements like that. I'm stupid. I don't like how I'm doing it, but this is the best way I can do it. And instance underscore exists obj underscore Billy. Now that should work. What did I do wrong? Unexpected symbol expression. Huh? Did I open a case that I didn't close? How is this unexpected? Where does this go? Oh. Oh. I put that there today. Good. Wouldn't want to erase something old. Break everything.
I break everything if you want me to.
So now, if I go here, get remembered. So then if I changed it to Miley and quit the game, yes! Now let's really test it. If I go robot, close the game, open it again, if the costume is robot, the costume is Motu, the game starts up as Billy. What happens? It started up as Billy Fox. Okay. Good. Okay. Right. Now I gotta make a sound for the critical hits. Let me think. Honestly, I'll probably do that later. I've been streaming for an hour. That's good enough. Oh, woof.